All right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. So the Bulls were able to hold up this area so far. They were able to hold it up so far. Under normal circumstances, this right here would be a short. Under normal circumstances, this will be a textbook reversal. However, however, we know what kind of environment where we're in, where the Bulls are just mentally regarded, mentally regarded. And they're just going to buy this thing right up. But this is a textbook reversal pattern right here. You're making lower lows. I'm sorry, making lower lows, and you're making lower highs. Textbook reversal. Textbook. Good morning, Tommy. Good morning. And just to draw out what I'm talking about, what is it, Thursday, right? Yeah, today's Thursday. To draw out what I'm talking about, look at lower lows, lower highs, textbook reversal. I wouldn't be surprised if the Bears form a little candle like this, but we all know it's going to get bought right back up. So I feel like this right here is probably going to trap some more bears like they did yesterday. And we're going to probably more likely see a move to the upside. And I think the meta of this market, just observing what it's doing. I think the meta is if there is no reason to sell, we're going to buy. Because the only reason that we've gotten sell-offs so far is because of news. But if these news events don't happen, then the market participants continues to buy this market up. No matter at what level, they're just buying. And that has been the trend. So as I've stated previously, I don't think there's any real bears in this market anymore. I believe it's just the bulls taking profits. And that's why we get these pullbacks. And once these pullbacks happen, that's when the bulls come right back in and it's business as usual. But we're gonna have to be very careful about our spots, especially on the ES, because we are trading above. Well, technically we're not. Technically. However, there is no price action to the left to reference. So we're gonna have to be very patient and allow the market to set itself up.
Order filled.
And we're gonna have to be prepared if we don't get a trade, which I hate saying, but the price action is only going one way, so did something just fill? Did something fill? I don't think I took a trade on this. Yeah, I don't think I took a trade or anything. Mm. Yeah, I think this is the loss I took yesterday when I didn't take profits. And as you can see, I stepped away from the screen. I stepped away. I didn't revenge it. I didn't fight it. I took my loss to the chin and I walked away. Obviously, the bulls have this market, and As bears, we're just gonna have to accept that. We're just gonna have to accept that as if you're a bearish trader. We're just gonna have to accept that. The bulls got it.
There we go. Hello.
Yeah, what's up, man? What's up? Hold on, give me a second. Let me turn this thing on real quick in a second.
Say you streaming yet? Man, I'm nothing open right now. This pattern.
Yeah. My bad. So yeah, I think I left the stove on moment, and this time I actually did leave the stove on. So all right.
Well, that's good. You went and checked.
It's like, dude, I know I left the stove on. But yeah. I was telling the stream that, dude, this is a textbook reversal pattern right here. Dude, I am itching to take this right now. I am itching to take this.
So
This is a textbook reversal right here. Textbook reversal pattern. But I don't think it's gonna work.
On this hourly. Yeah, this hourly chart. Wait. Do we get all the news out of the way first? Let me see. I ain't checked the news yet. Let's we need to have like a checklist because on the hourly chart it's this pennant pattern that I've seen many times before.
Yeah.
And usually it goes out to the upside. Usually.
Yeah, this job is
You see news. We have
morning game weight. Good morning. I know your friends was not talking to you. He ain't get a good morning gain weight or nothing. He got a, hey, what's up, gain weight, and fuck you.
Yeah.
Oh man, if I can find that. I'm gonna show the stream that video I sent you earlier, man. That was like, dude, that video literally had me laughing. Like my daughter was looking at me, was like, "What the hell are you laughing so hard like that for?" This had me laughing so hard.
That's funny. Yeah. He's in 3, the countdown 2. I'm like, oh yeah, you tripping, buddy.
Yeah,
you are tripping.
That was hilarious. But this is a true story for Bears, man. We get no love in these streets. No love at all.
Bears get no love. Bears, if you think about it, they don't get that much time to shine. They might have their day, 1 or 2 days, maybe even 3. But it is short-lived compared to how the Bulls get all their money.
Yeah, dude, it's ridiculous almost at times, man. It's ridiculous. But like I said, we just have to adjust. We have to adapt. The market is for the Bulls right now.
I want a better entry, but I don't think I'm gonna get it. I want to go long, but because I feel like it's gonna break out. But I'll stay on the safe side of this. I'm not gonna. Actually, I'll probably just wait till see what that 9 o'clock algo does.
Yeah, that's probably I guess the more I guess that's more the more safer thing to do, I guess.
Yeah, because yesterday that was crazy. That was straight crazy. I've never seen an over 50-point drop on or a 50-point move in either way on an algo. And they got pushed right back up. Almost instantly. You would even if you were short, you didn't even have time to react to get out unless you had a limit sitting down there somewhere.
Yeah. Definitely. So I do see something, and I actually might take this short. I might take it short with like a tight stop if I see something set up. If I see it set up,
Okay.
because like I said yesterday, I mean the market kind of moves after it's done being foolish. You see all these I mean look at this. Hold on. Look at this. The market straight traded through
Facts.
3 supply zones with no back and forth. But this is what I see right now, and this is what I want to see. I see a range. Oops.
You could be right though. You
I see
could
it.
be right.
About what?
Short.
About a short?
Short. Yeah.
I want to see what price does at 77, 76, 77. If price starts pumping up here, I'm actually gonna probably follow it with a sell stop. I'm gonna probably follow with the sell stop at 70 or 37 because I see a range. I think we run these highs, and then above these highs, I think we can probably see a stop run up because we already got so we got this range. They tried to come up. They broke out underneath the range. They tapped into this area of support. And from here, that's when they pulled up. So I probably expect something like this. And I'm looking at that 76.80 area. That's the area I'm looking for. But like I said,
Just hit buy and watch them flow.
you said what?
He said, just hit buy and watch the money flow.
Hey, I mean, like I said, man, well, this thing happens too often. Too often this happens. Probably, yeah, this happens too often, man. Once we hit them all-time highs, the market stalls out like this because when the market takes out its market objective, which is trying to take out a high, we either get a pullback or the market starts to chop in a range. And we talked about this, and this should be no surprise that the market has chopped in a range since we've taken out the high. This is what the market does. So if the bulls aren't going to take this higher, and they want to look for or search for lower prices, I do have my eyes set on this 45 level. I do have my eyes set on a 45 level to get long. The reason why I'm saying 45 is because I'm thinking everybody's going to get in at 48 because 48 was that breakout because 48 was resistance for a very long time. So everybody's going to be right at this level. I'm looking for that stop run lower, baby. I'm looking for them stops to get ran around like 45. I'll get in with my 10 points for that move back up to retest at least like 360 or something like that. That's what I'm going to be looking for if we get it. But in order for the bears to be successful, they got to take out this low right here. They got to take that low out. So the bulls get all the love. They get all the fucking love, man. They get it all. All right. So let's see. But you got any game plan for the NQ? What are you looking at right now?
So I am looking at a short, believe it or not. I am looking at a short just because like I think we could definitely finish higher on the day, but I want to catch that big move down, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
When they come in, the demand will be there, they buy it right back up. type of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, I'm just kind of.
Like I said, I am looking for that 76 level. I am looking for it.
Trying to buy tick strike. ES is going crazy.
Yeah, it's going crazy, but I think the ES is yeah. Shit ain't moving. Damn, dude, that is a textbook short. Like the market is so diabolical for that. It is so diabolical. That is diabolical. That is diabolical, dude. That is a textbook short right there. God damn it. Man, the market's diabolical for that. It knows that everybody and their mom is going to want to short this. Look, but we know it's not going to work. We know it's not going to work. Hold on, let me see. Like, I don't understand why I'm trying to send this. I'm trying to send this this post from Instagram to myself, but for some reason it's not allowing me to.
Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. In queue. In queue.
Okay. Let's see if that was just to get the shorts in. Yo, let's see if that was just to get the shorts in. To get people to chase this damn thing. Because no shorts is not going to work unless they break 57. You said what? Yeah.
Yeah, that would be diabolical.
But we all know that this is going to get bought right back up, man. This is going to get bought right back up.
Sure.
Textbook short. You said Nvidia is coming down? Well, we do got the stock split going in at I think it's tomorrow on the 7th. Yep, June 7th. Or is it June or July 7th? I think it's June 7th, right?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, June 10th? Okay. Or so I'm looking at Yahoo Finance and it says, I mean, unless they switched it, I guess. It says the moment, well, I could just pull it up. Just so either the 7th or the 10th, like Alfred says. So it's saying that it's supposed to be on the 7th, but you said it's going to be on the 10th. Like I said, 7th, 10th, or so it says, announces. So yeah, Alfred was definitely correct. So they must have updated it. So it says stock split effective June 7th, but then I could have sworn I saw something that said June 10th. All right, so it says trading expected to commence. So okay, okay, that does make sense. So the stock split will be effective on the 7th, and the adjusted price will be affected on Monday. So it's going to happen the 7th, but you won't be able to trade the new adjusted price until the 10th. I mean, at least CL showed me some love this morning. He said, what?
Oh, you messed around with CL?
Man, I wanted to short, man. Like I said, wow. I wanted to short. I saw.
You wanted to short.
You
took it in another instrument to get your fix.
I got this short down, baby. This actually is a whoa. Yo, whoa, what's good? Yo, that's actually yo.
Hey, don't fight it. Don't fight it, baby. I'm in this short. Don't fight it.
Oh. Hold on. Well, dude.
Hey. Don't fight it. Just hit these lows. Just knock these lows out. That's it. That's all I'm shooting for, baby. Knock them out. Come out the park.
Hmm. Huh. Uh. Hmm. Hmm. Just keep that trailing.
Oh, get out the way. Get out the way. Whoa, get out the way real quick. Hey, get out the way. Oh, shoot. Dang, they buying.
Yeah. It's hard being a bear. I was telling Smith, that like bears just turns into straight stubbornness, man. It just turns into stubbornness. Like, God damn it, I want to sell something. God damn it, I want to sell it.
Yeah.
And then once you get into that bearish mode, it is just pure stubbornnness after that, man. It's hard to get out of it. And then you get that market clarity after the damn market closes and be like, huh. So, now that I look at the charts, the bulls did have this the whole time. They did have it the whole time. Crazy because it's freaking true. But yeah, your boy caught this short down, baby. With 4 CL contracts. I don't even trade CL like that. I trade 1 to 2 contracts at most, but I wanted to short something so bad. I saw this opportunity to short. So I got in around, I think around like 90. Yeah, around like 90. When I saw that this high got ran, I was like, yo, they're gonna try to run this high. So once I saw them run it, I just put my sell stop right here, got filled, and your boy got paid.
Oh, nice. You caught all that. Nice.
I'm kind of glad I got out because I was fighting myself. My targets was all the way down here. But we all know that CL, she only gives $10 per tick. So I was up like $1,500 or like $1,800 at the apex, and then I saw it pump up, and I was like, God damn it, I might as well just close it. But good thing I closed it because obviously I would have been almost back to break even if I didn't. So I'm glad I closed it though. But this is the main reason why I don't trade CL is because of stuff like that. Because I mean, if you really want the whole move, you gotta wait until she finished doing all of this, and then wait for that expansion lower, and then wait for that expansion going higher. But I will say CL is the reason why your boy Sherm is here trading other instruments because I've learned how to trade trading CL. This is where I really learned how to trade. I started with ES, switched over to NQ, obviously had a scalping trading style or gambling trading style. I mean, shit, you saw momentum, we gonna chase that shit. That's how it was. And then when I went to CL, I really had to learn structure. Go ahead.
I'm talking to NQ. Just tap me in, NQ. Tap me
in. But this is where I learned how to trade market structures from CL because you ain't getting paid unless you know it. Congratulate. Oh shit. Oh, that's the ES. It's ES. Hold on, where's your target at on this?
Right at these lows, man. I probably should have front run it.
Yeah.
Right at the pre-market low. Need to look and see these orders.
Let's see, man. Let's see. Because I might. Nah. I'm shorting at 82. I'm a short at 80. Well, but you might not even get there. And yeah, well, see, you risk it for the biscuit, you get paid, like our boy Smith is. You get paid.
My first short was at 104. So that was my first position.
Uh-huh.
Then I kind of, scaled it a little bit, scaled into the winning on those drops. And tap me in, NQ, tap me in. Oh, I don't like how they holding it right there. I don't like that.
I mean, they've held this position about 4 times. I mean,
but I see the heat at 950 though, or 1950.
All right, we got the algo coming up. We got the algo coming up. Just be mindful. We got the algo.
Shoot, you're right. You are so right.
Ooh. That didn't tap you in, did it? That didn't
I missed it. I missed it by I don't like it. I don't like how tight the range is. Oh shoot. Where we at? Actually, I mean, I got it right below, a tick below the low, like a true petty king. In all true pettiness, a tick below the low. Oh, shoot. Y'all gonna wait for the algo to get me in or nah? No, man.
You know the algo likes to favor that bullish side, so just protect yourself. Just protect yourself.
I probably should take the size off. I really should. That would be the smart thing to do. Close it out. That heat down there, man. All that heat. Give me that. Give me that. Okay, got my first target. Barely. Come on, Al.
Yo, congratulations on that short, baby. Congratulations. Yes.
Principalities. Principalities in Q. All right, I'm protecting it now just in case. She won't be foolish. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You gonna get my last one? You gonna get my last contract right there? Right below 50? 49. 49, no! Alright, Q. F you. Alright, I trailed it, got it. I'm good. Game, blouses, nice trades. I'm done, because that algo does favor the bullish side. I want to see how it reacts. That's 3K right there in that short. Because it's funny. I'm glad you did start mentioning that, because I'm like, that pennant move, it favors the upside, but it obviously broke that pennant on the hourly chart. And the 4-hour looks like a bull flag, though. Yeah, straight up bull flag as of right now. If this level holds, actually, the 4-hour is about to get a new candle in 2 minutes. So
yeah, that's why that 9 o'clock algo is very crucial, because I think that's like the only time where all the trading times align, where a new candle is formed on at 9 o'clock Central, 10 o'clock Eastern. Yeah, that's why it's so crucial.
Well, it would have hit my targets had I held out a little bit longer, but I didn't want to take the risk with it being so close to the algo. I'm like, I'm good, baby. Okay. Actually, you know what? I can talk about it now. I actually lost 3K in this eval yesterday. Almost freaking blew the whole thing. I was like, I was chasing it. I was mad. Sure. And this is the only glory, the only type of victory shorts are gonna get.
Yeah. They ain't about to get nothing else other than this.
Game weight's like, yeah, you can keep your 50 points short or whatever. 60, 80 points. How many points did I get? My first short position was at 104. I scaled in, then I got in at 96, 92, and then way at the bottom. And then at 73 and 70. got out at 50, 53, 54. But my targets were down here where price just got like. Actually, my ultimate target was like 9, right here in this golden zone at 915. Top of that. That was the ultimate target, but I'm like, you know what? I ain't gonna play around. Let's just get what we need and get out. Damn.
My feelings are so hurt, man. My feelings are hurt. My feelings are
I
hurt,
forgot to
man.
sign into my PA. But maybe I can catch this bounce.
Feelings are so hurt.
Why you didn't? Because you didn't take it and you talked about it. The setup.
Yeah. It's okay though.
It says it's like textbook short.
Dude, it was a textbook short, like for real, man. Like you couldn't get no more textbook than that. Like it was a short that if you open up a technical analysis book, it is like, dude, it was perfect, man.
That's the chart they pulled from.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh man, that's too funny.
Gosh. I mean, they
That was beautiful, NQ. Brought a tear to my eye.
I mean, I will no. All right, so we had the algo. It didn't really do anything.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be surprised if they do buy this up right here, man. I really wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised, man. But like I said, I don't think
I agree.
I don't think All right, so let's see. I mean, technically,
I forgot to have my PAs locked and ready to go. I only took that in the eval.
don't you hate that?
To pass.
Don't you hate that?
To pass. Maybe I can catch this run up.
That's too high to buy, but it's gonna probably work. All right, man. It's gonna probably work, man. It's gonna probably work. Look at that, dude. This is what makes me like if ES starts to slow down, like slow down, we'll start taking some NQ trades for real, man, because I ain't with none of that. I mean, shoot, this right here, when I called out this short, how many points was this? Man, this is a 70-point goddamn short. Damn it.
On ES?
Yeah, no, not on ES, on NQ. And just for it to recover 31, 30 points already.
Telling you, man.
I do want to go back to my baby though. I will always be a bull on NQ. I would like, dude, you can't even ask me to be a bear on NQ. I would never be a bear on NQ. I will always wait for the pullbacks on NQ.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll take a short here and there, but I'm looking for these longs, baby. Always on NQ. ES, it's like I said, the trading style on ES is so different where you can make money on both sides. But on the NQ, I mean, even in a downtrend, you can make money. Even when it goes down, you can make money. On the ES, that's obviously not the case. Either you gotta be short or long. That's it. There's no in between.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, man. All right. So it looks like the NQ is going to recover. I did think about taking this trade right here. I did think about it. But I just did not want to. I just did not want to take that risk on the ES and get trapped because I'll be literally trading in the middle. Where's that range? I think, yeah, I think that looks good right there. That looks good. But honestly, we got a double top, but we don't have a break of structure. So we have a double top here. We don't have a break of structure yet. We have a break of structure to the upside. We don't have a break of structure to the downside. I mean, we did have the market trending down right here. So we did have this. And then we got this range breakout right here. And you can see that they found support right here for right now. For right now, they're trying to buy it here at the bottom of this trend line to move this market up higher. It does look like the bulls want lower prices because we don't have that much momentum that we had yesterday. But we gotta wait for this structure break right here. We gotta wait for that because I mean there's bulls right here. There's bulls. They might say that this is enough. This is enough right here of a pullback. And price is making higher lows. So this may work actually. This actually may have been a good trade. But I just hate the fact that I have to trade this way on the ES, which I hate that so much. So we'll see what happens here. Shit, man, we can get a trade on the CL. We'll do that. Shit, we'll trade you CL. We'll trade CL if we can get a good Yeah, but I think this probably was the biggest move, or this was the biggest move that we're gonna get. Because they're making higher highs. So either CL sells off right here or it doesn't sell off at all. Either it sells right here or it doesn't sell at all. Because what I'm seeing right here on the on CL is we have this breaker structure right here.
It's like the NQ knowing where my targets are and just completely tries to avoid them to piss me off.
Especially when you're heavy size. Then we have a break below. So if CL breaks above this high, and then the longs got it. The longs got it if we get a breakout above that high. Shit, honestly, maybe CL is trying to get right here, possibly around 774.90. That could be a possibility right there. Yeah, around like 74.90. Possibly right here. So I'm going to be looking for a CL to come in to this area right here. And I want to see how it reacts. I mean, honestly, this will be a good risk reward trade right here. I mean, yeah, honestly, I wouldn't even take a short on CL for real. It says didn't get to about the short word. Yeah, she is, man. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if she actually goes for another leg lower here. I wouldn't be surprised. Because if you gotta we gotta remember, man. We gotta remember. NQ did all this. Like we have to be mindful of what NQ and ES has done. Look at all these supply zones that the market straight traded through. Mm. Huh, that's interesting. It does look like it's trying to. I don't think it got close though. I don't think it got close. It got to 32, 10 points away from previous all-time highs, and it found support here at previous all-time highs. It does look like the bulls are buying off the 21 EMA. Mm. Yeah, we might. Yeah. But yeah, I promise, guys, if ES goes back to this type of price action, we'll go back to NQ. We'll figure her out. Well, we'll make her. What's the word I want to look for? I want to say. We'll simplify trading her, if that makes sense. But we're gonna have to really adjust our risk on this. I mean, you can make money with micros with the NQ, obviously. It would have to be less than. I think starting man, that's a lot, man. So a three micro contract strategy on the NQ can definitely take away the let me see. 27 times 2 times 3. I mean, 27 points would be $162 loss if you're wrong. 31. So that's a 50 point. That's 50 points. But then you can always get more. I mean, you can make so much money with the NQ though. Yeah, look at those golden zones working out to the T. That's yeah, Smith, I don't know if you're muted, but it's funny that I drew this this golden zone yesterday. It was like, yeah, this would be resistance, and they straight use it as support. They straight use that thing as support to push this damn thing higher. All right, so.
And it missed my second target by 2 ticks. Hit my first target, missed my second target by 2 ticks. I swear.
Oh, you went long? You flipped long?
Oh, Yeah, with flip long. Because I was short in my eval. I'm like, oh shoot, but I forgot about my PA. Let me see if I can catch this upside. You know the bull's gonna come in.
Mhm.
I got in about halfway through the move, so.
Huh. I see something interesting. This is another short text. This is another textbook short. This is another textbook short. Let me draw it out. So just be mindful. This is another textbook short.
Yeah, yeah.
This is another
I should
textbook.
close it.
You should, but I know you're not going to. But so let me let me draw it out so you can just be mindful. You got to pull back, and we got to break of that structure. The bulls are coming back to retest this area. I mean, you may get a pop up higher a little bit, but in situations like this, that's a textbook short right here. That's a textbook short. Yo, the market is throwing out. What's going on? The market is straight up pulled out the textbook. They're not even trying to hide it or nothing. It's like at least we got to bring the bears back in the market somehow. Shit, after what happened yesterday.
Messed up part is
Connection lost.
I know you're probably right.
Yeah.
And probably just get out, take my profit, look for a different entry. But I want my targets. They're right there.
I know. I know, man. I know. I know. I know. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, see.
It's a textbook short. They're trying to get the Bears right back into the market because of how they got fucked yesterday. With no lube, they didn't even ask permission, no consent or nothing. The Bulls just took it. And the market is like, all right, Bears. I mean, y'all can make some money now. Yo, they just straight took it, yo. Okay.
It's crazy.
Yo, I see something on the CL, man. I might take this, man. I might take this on CL. I might take this because the risk to reward on this is too good. It's too good on this. Yeah, that straight took it with no consent, man. Hmm. But honestly, looking at a higher time frame on CL, I might have to. So no, I don't think they do that. I don't think they do that. But man, she moves so damn slow, man. Man, she moves slow. You know, I can't do that. She don't even move for her. I can't do that. It's gonna probably work, but I can't do that. All right, so yeah, just protect yourself, man. I mean, the Bulls can't come back in because they have been technically regarded or mentally regarded, but just protect yourself. That is a textbook short down. It's textbook.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
The developer says a liquidity balance and a bear flag, but we followed through. Yeah, I mean, this is not a surprise to me. I know the Bulls are regarded, but I mean, shit, they're not that regarded. Yeah, right here technically is an area where the Bulls can come back in. And you can see that Bulls are coming back in this area. You see that they've done it. However, the market is trending down. And man, that's man. Uh. Dude, I want to take this short on CL, man. I really do. I really want to take this guy. I want to take this short on CL. Man, she moves so damn slow, man. I want to see what they do here. And if we can get like maybe 790, 790, like a 10-point stop, 8-point stop. This is such great risk reward right here on CL. But I want to see if price gets above this high, and if price, what happens when it gets above this high. And if we can get it, if it does break out above this high, and we get a move lower, then that can definitely be a great lucrative trade. But I do see that this 200 EMA is coming down. It is definitely coming down. So we could see price get knocked down. And this is a textbook short on CL right now. But if we look at the bigger picture with CL, that's a big drop. That is a big drop. This could definitely recover. It's not like it can't. But this is a big drop on CL. And then you got that big, so what, 70, 74.97, 74.84. I'm talking about CL. And like I said, if there's a CL traders, I mean, like I said, I'll start looking at CL more often. That's something that people want to look at. We can also take trades on CL as well. We are talking. So this short. Hmm. Yeah, this is going to be definitely difficult. So because they shorted it here, and then they came back up to 74.94. So they dropped it, they popped it, they dropped it, and then they came back in. So they may come back in and take out this high right here. They may take this high out, but we'll see.
I'm looking for NQ to at least touch VWAP on my charts here, and then sell or get into VWAP is right in the golden zone too for potential.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Let's actually look at that and see how accurate this is. If this tool is accurate, we can actually start. We'll see. If this tool is accurate, we can actually start taking some. You can think about possibly taking some trades. You said what?
My bulls getting regarded, baby. Next TP, next.
There we go.
Baby. Watch out for a potential retrace here. But my bulls look like they got it, being fully regarded. Boom, next TP. Last one, I'm gonna let it run. I'm letting it run, baby. Potential reversal though. Did they get to the objective and now they want to drop on NQ? Awesome.
Let's just see. Let's see if these golden zones actually are very accurate. Let's see if it can get to like to 98 or 100. If, like I said, if we start looking at these little fib levels and on the NQ, shit, we can start doing this on the NQ. We can toss this. Well, yeah, never mind. Forgot about that.
Yeah, where to get for you? It's right at VWAP on mine on my 2K chart, 2K tick, and just above VWAP on the 5 minute. I'm letting it run. I'm up 2K right now.
Okay.
Oh, that drop. Hold up. I want to keep my runner, but damn. I also don't want to give all of this back.
You know that is definitely.
Where's your zone at?
So they got a zone here at 89 and 92. 89 and 92. But I may have done it wrong. So you're supposed to do it from.
I do mine from pre-market high to pre-market low, and then you can
Adjust it as it goes down.
Adjust it. Or I'll just draw a new one. I'll push the old one a little bit to the left and then draw a new one. That way I still got the old levels.
Mm.
I'll put a break-even trail stop on this last one. So that's like 20-some points, I think. No, it's like 16 points.
$716.
Damn, bro, that thing stopped me. It went all the way down and stopped me. Oh, wow.
Like,
That
nah.
last one only made $60.
Damn, this is like a good short on CL. Dude, I might take it. Don't judge me, people. Dude, I might take this on. Oh my God, this looks so good on CL for a short. Oh, this looks good. That looks good. That looks good. I should have took it at 90. Oh, that's good. That's a good short. That's a good short attempt. Whatever, man. Whatever. As you can see that we're still getting this chop with ES. A good trade has yet to present itself. Remember, as ES traders, we don't get the luxury like the NQ traders get. They get to trade the middle and be successful. We gotta wait for an expansion outside of the range. So we gotta wait. We don't get that NQ luxury. But you know what? You know what? You know what? That's actually going to be okay. So that's going to be a new goal for me. That's going to be a new goal for me to have both trades planned for the ES and the NQ. So we don't have to just rely solely on the NQ, on the ES, because let's just be completely honest. We've been getting some great trades on the ES, but we damn sure know that the ES don't move like that for real. We know that. It does not move like that for real. So our boy Smith is up, what, like 5K? And a trade hasn't even presented itself. He said, what?
No, only 1,700. I was up like, I don't know, only 1,700 right now.
Oh. Oh, no, I'm talking about, isn't it all your accounts, right?
Oh, yeah, all 3 accounts, yeah.
That's what I mean. But actually, let's
You
look
talk
at
about it
this.
like that. Yeah, let's talk individual
Yeah, individual.
P&L. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. But it is times 3. So you can't look at it like that. I think it was
Honestly,
what, Friday? Okay, 7,500 Friday times 3. 3 accounts.
mm.
Concentrate.
So let's look at this, man. Because I think I was doing this last night. I think I was. No, I wasn't. I wasn't doing this last night. Let's look if the market predicted this projection higher. Let's look at that. So that golden zone was definitely resistance. So if I mean, I guess if you caught this, well, let's see if this bottom was predicted first. Let's do it like that. So from this bottom to this top, which I think it's already. So so they bought it up to 382. They bought it up to 382. I mean, even if you did buy it here at the golden zone, if you bought it here at the golden zone, let's just say that you got it at 575. It's like 575 right here. I mean, and I guess, well, where do you go? So do you go from here? No, I would trade back into this range. I would definitely trade back into this range. It's until it got back to this range. So this would have probably been a winning trade that turned into a losing trade for me because I would have been targeting this. This is what I would have been targeting. But 637. So 637 minus 575. So this was a 60-point trade right here. I think actually I think we took this trade in one of our NA meetings. I think we took this trade. I think we did. Yeah, I think we took this trade. But then this golden zone, after it got ran through, it turned to resistance for us for a while. We got a breakout back into this range. It did trade through this. This would have been a losing trade, but over time, this area became resist or support. And if you got in here at support at 75 and got this retest of this high, that would have been almost what 150-point play right here almost. But if you held it and traded it to the next golden zone, man, that shit touched that next golden zone perfectly. Huh. So let's adjust it to this bottom. So let's just say that we missed this entire move. We was angry. Yo, I mean, it worked. I mean, this was resistance, I guess. And then, I mean, if you sold this golden zone, so let's just say that you sold the top one at 642. I mean, you would have been down 30 points. This would have been a losing trade. But if you're stubborn and use your whole account balance as drawdown, you would have survived it and you would have been profitable. And it was resistance a couple of times. And then it eventually turned into support after it got that breakout. It turned to support. And then from this fib level to that fib level, and that was a 300-point move. Like, God damn. Was this all in the same day? Okay, it wasn't in the same day. It wasn't in the same day.
Yo, you think they're gonna try to get to that 150 liquidity? Like, is that too crazy for the NQ? Actually, I think so. I see 2 scenarios, right? I don't know. It looks like it made a high, attempted that high, and couldn't quite get there. I think if it doesn't get past 100, then I think it's gonna drop again. Like convincing. Really, like that previous high up there at like 115 is like the ultimate. break to continue higher. But looking at this chart, this 5 minute is really not looking like it sticks to this pattern. Like 99, 100, and then drop again if it doesn't drop here.
So yeah, I mean, we got this breakout lower, but we broke out into an area of support. So now price, the bears are trying to sell it here at the bottom of this range, but now price is in this range. I can see us break out. I think 150 is 145 to 150 is not unreasonable. Because the bears are failing to keep price here. Because if they hold it, then we can definitely get a move down. However, because these bears are weak out here for real, the more likely scenario is that we continue to go up. And I guess I should have took that short on CL. I should have took that short on CL. Yeah, I just saw that. I just saw that it went short. And I guess trading the ES and NQ, trading the ES or I guess the indices is getting me. It's like I don't trust shorts no more. It's like I don't trust shorts anymore. And I did see that the CL did go freaking short. I did see that. That was a nice 40-point move right there. So far, nice 40-point move. Mm. Mm.
Oh, for your CL short?
Yeah, that shit worked out. Yeah. It's just that I don't trust it because of this bull crap right here.
All right, baby. New targets of mine now. The bulls getting regarded again. New targets. My first one. Oh, let me not say. You'll know when I hit my first one.
Okay, so let's actually look at this. So yeah, we'll start actually looking at the NQ. If I can actually reverse engineer this, oh, we're gonna use this, baby. We're gonna use this. We're gonna definitely use it. But just be mindful. Just be mindful because even though it does look bullish, this is textbook. This is still a short textbook. So I mean, it's one of those things where it's like, well, I guess the bulls are going to be regarded, but technically this is still a short.
I don't know. I think you talking about NQ?
Yeah, but yeah.
4 hour. Look at the 1 hour. I think that was the shorts. Like I said, they're 15 minutes of fame.
Yeah, that's what I was like. Yeah, I was like, yeah. That's why it's like, don't listen to shorts, man. I'm gonna still call out the shorts when I see it, but we all know it ain't gonna work. So I mean, they're not gonna work.
That's diabolical. You gotta believe, confidence in your positions. Yeah, looking at, I think that was a bull flag on the high frames, and we're about to start the next leg up.
Yeah,
150.
we're gonna break out. We're going to take your profits at 147, 145, 147.
I got at 144. You know I'm front running.
Yeah, front run that shit.
I ain't playing no games with her.
Front running.
I ain't playing no games. Yeah, because the 4 hour just pretty much ate that whole move up just now. And yeah, almost up 70 points, and we still got 3.5 more hours to go on this candle.
I ain't gonna lie, man.
Like I said,
go ahead.
You need to see it clear 115, though. You need to see it clear 115 for it to be real.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm gonna give it time.
Yeah.
I'm in my new longs. Got out of my first longs. I started a new long position. Basically, well, I'll keep that to myself. But I did start a new long position, and y'all will know whether I I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna ride this thing. My first TP is not that far off. Not that far off.
Yeah. Let me guess. 124.
No. Close.
Mm.
That's near my TP.
Mm.
Not gonna fail here.
Mm.
I don't fail here. It wouldn't shock me.
I mean, like I said, it's that's how I was like, dude, it's hard, dude. It's hard. Dude, this is bearish. Like, this is textbook bearishness. Bearish price action.
Yeah.
So it's like it's hard not to try to short this, yo.
Yeah, no, I agree. I just have more, I guess you could say, faith in the Bulls because they don't care.
Yeah, they're not caring. Yeah.
They don't give a. But this, if I'm looking at this from a textbook standpoint, lower, let me see. You had this high here, drop, went for a second attempt to reach it, couldn't get to that high, drop, super drop. Recovering again and is struggling to get to the previous high.
Yeah.
Past that previous high at 115. So that's why I was saying 115. But yeah, it wouldn't surprise me to see another leg down.
Yeah, because the Bears failed to sell this off right here. They failed to do this. So we are at the top of this range. So in order for the Bulls to be successful here, they're going to need enough pressure. And I mean, technically, at least on this chart, this golden fib area, they are finding support here at this golden fib. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna reverse engineer this shit because if this tool can make it easier combined with me and Smith what is it called? Market structure, technical analysis. If we can combine technical analysis with these fib tools, because I just be looking at the charts and be like, okay, yeah, this and that. But if we can combine this, we can really make some money with this, man. But if we go back to the NQ, I already know it. Man, shit, we ain't looking at that girl CL over there no more. Not CL, ES. So you don't move fast enough for us. You're not a fast mover for us. We can make a lot of money with NQ. A lot of money with NQ. Honestly, I've made, like I said, with ES, you can make more money in terms of if you get a good position, you can comfortably trade with size. Man, you gotta be a complete psychopath to trade with size with ES or with NQ because of how much she whips.
Psychopath or gambler. There's no in between.
You gotta be a psychopath because she's gonna put you through it. And then just to be strong enough to just look at her and be like, yeah, that didn't hurt. That ain't hurt. That ain't hurt. I want some more. And then come back.
When it goes all the way back to your break even, that doesn't faze me. When you crying on the inside like that.
Jack man? Yeah, let's look at that.
You crying on. Talk about that ain't hurt. Can I have some more?
You gotta look at the NQ just like hopefully nothing crazy like this. You gotta be straight like this. Like, yeah, baby, that didn't hurt.
Yeah, that's exactly it.
That ain't hurt. Go back to my break even 10 more times. Thank you, love the bounce.
That's true. Super true.
Well,
how many times that's happened to me? You know, and it goes all the way back to your break even.
I should have took that shit short on CL. Oh my God. You saw all the mental gymnastics I did to myself to convince me not to take this short?
Yeah.
All that mental gymnastics just for it to work out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah, all right.
Dang. Nvidia dropped $50 at 8:45. That was the cause of that drop. 8:45, Nvidia dropped $60, and then let's see, pretty much it's like it's more than halfway recovering from that already. People do not care. Buy, buy, buy.
Okay, so
No,
that look at that.
talk about much. My target's nowhere to be found. I don't want you to hit my target.
I don't care about
I
that
don't.
target.
Yeah.
Damn, that was not playing, yo. Damn, that was not playing.
Playing no games, bro. No games.
Damn it, Nvidia.
No games.
All right, so it does look like the markets are going to drop. Yeah, this looking like that's going to drop. ES is looking like it's going to drop. Mm.
You know what? And this makes sense too. It does. Because I said I would not be surprised because I see it on that 5-minute chart. Yep.
Hmm.
I
But
see
remember, ES
you.
traders, remember, we don't get the same luxury as the NQ traders. We don't get that. You trade in this middle right here, you take a long or short, you may even be right, but you more than not will become liquidity. So we don't get the same luxury. So just remember that. We gotta wait for an expansion from the middle to get good trades like this and to get good trades like this. You don't trade here.
Yeah, NQ be swinging, bro.
Oh yeah, she does, man.
20, 25 points. It's nothing for her to swing to. Domain expansion. Unlimited liquidity.
Unlimited liquidity. Money printer go burr.
Money printer go burr.
So much money. Yo, like on some real stuff. Like we all know that there's a saying about selling your soul and blah blah blah. We're not talking about the Illuminati or nothing. We're just talking about in general, like how these influencers will technically sell their souls to promote products that they know is harmful to the community, et cetera, just for money. And then you realize, or once you become educated and realize that money is just literally a figment of your imagination, talk about emotional damage because you sold the most valuable thing that you own for literally nothing. Something that can be printed at the whim of Jerome Pump It Powell. Literally. And I wonder if that's like one of the main reasons why you see, because we all see that these celebrities and people that make a lot of money, they get depressed. I wonder if that's the reason why, when they really find out that money don't really mean shit, for real. It's just a tool of exchange. There you go, a tool of exchange, and that's it. Or people that like to snake people, try to get to the top just to find out that damn, I did all that snake stuff for nothing, for the love of money.
Oh, chat, everybody. How have y'all been following GME? And the craziness going on with it again after Roaring Kitty posted his positions.
They talking about sending him to jail, right?
He's manipulating the stock. I'm like, how you gonna do that? How? When he's being transparent. He's being transparent. And then you got Pelosi up like $4 million on the Nvidia on her calls.
Yo, yeah, she's yeah. Like we say in this stream, if Pelosi's in it, we in it, baby. If she's in it, we in it, baby.
Hey, you can't lose going following her.
Nope, you don't lose at all. Nope.
She's a true insider.
She's more than an insider. She makes the laws. She was like, hey, y'all got some NVIDIA news coming out? Yeah, we're going to pass this and that. Bet. Bet. Make sure y'all run all that NVIDIA news by me before y'all pass that shit. It's like, hold on, I need to get out of my NVIDIA calls. You about to sanction China or Taiwan or whatever? I need to hold on. Let me get out my calls real quick. You said Jack. He said overcome what? What are you referring to? Are you referring to the what are you referring to? If you're referring to the money thing, from what I've seen, people just gamble. I mean, it's one of those things where it's like gambling is literally the last game in town. It literally is. Literally is. You see a lot of people that get all this money, all this influence, or they have all this influence, and they detach from the collective reality and join the reality of the top 5% of America, or of, I guess, society. You can't relate to nobody. You can't trust nobody, just to realize that, damn, I got all this wealth and it really doesn't mean anything. Well, what do you do in that situation? You really gamble. I guess that's just the universal, God damn it, look at that drop. And I guess that's just the universal response to that. You'll see a lot of your favorite celebrities in gambling debt. And it becomes so overwhelming that they put themselves back into poverty. It's almost like it's irony almost. It's like literally the circle of life. You start in poverty, you get rich, you're driven to get rich. You realize that it really don't mean anything for real. And then you put yourself back into poverty. It's a cycle that I continuously see happen. Or either they start to gamble, or they try to detach from reality by doing drugs and alcohol. It's just a cycle that continues to happen. And I guess the only way to really get over that is just to accept that, you know what? If I'm going to gamble, I just need to do it responsibly. If I'm going to drink, I got to do it responsibly, because 9 times out of 10, you're just fighting it from happening in the first place. And if there is a, what do you call it? I don't know, a tragic event, where a triggering event, that usually what breaks a lot of the celebrities, where they just go down a deep end because they've been fighting the depression for so long. Something tragic happens and then they just go down the deep end. I mean, it's just a cycle that you just see happen all the time. See the illusion of money? I mean, we just got to understand it's an illusion. I mean, look at the market. And the market shouldn't be trading this high, but it is.
So we shut up.
Well, we shut the fuck up and call it. I mean, like, it's just that's just how simple it is. But because we're humans and we're like the most complicated beings on this planet so far, we like to contradict ourselves with emotions. And I absolutely hate that. That's why journaling, you have to really journal your feelings so you can logically look at it and say, wow, this is like the most stupidest thing to feel. But at the same time, you can say that, but the reality is still the reality. You still feel that way. So,
yeah. Remember when we used to discuss, like, you know, the why it's not enough factor and everything? Like, how, like, it's crazy to think that you thought 2K wasn't enough.
Nope. It's stupid when you write it down on paper, because when you go to pay your bills, go ahead.
Yeah, no, go ahead, cook.
I was like, yeah, you got to pay your bills at 2K. Like, yo, that put me ahead this month. But in the market, it's like, no, that's baby money. That ain't shit. Like, it don't make no damn sense. It doesn't make sense at all, dude.
But I think it's because deep down, like, you're capable of more. We've done it. We've proven it. But then when we can't repeat that same process like every day, that's the other complexity, because the markets, you see similar patterns and stuff, but it's different every day as far as, like, movements and stuff.
Yeah, it does the same shit differently every day. Yeah.
Right. Yeah. That's the better way to say it. It does the same thing differently, but every day. You're like, damn. Well, I just made this last, but that's when you don't want to compare yourself to your P&L. Basically,
Mm-hmm.
you're not your P&L. Detach from that. Focus on making good trades, and you should be straight. Catch tops. Ride the NQ if you trade an NQ, ride the NQ for freaking 60, 70, 100 plus points. ES, you get like 20, 30 points. Lately, nah, I'm joking on ES, but lately ES been moving. You can catch them like
Yeah, she's been
40.
definitely moving, man.
Yeah.
We know that that's an illusion within itself. You know the world is crazy. If the ES is moving 100 points in a day, you know the world is crazy. Shit.
Yeah, exactly. You go back in time and look at old ES charts when it was sitting at like in the 200s and 300s.
Mm-hmm.
Yo. It's like, what? Or no, that's ES. Let me see. I probably meant 3,000.
Yeah, because the ES would move. You if you got 13 points, it was lucky. Yeah, that was a good day. Yeah.
That's a great day. Shoot, 10 points. Great day on ES.
Yeah. Because I mean, on a normal day, this is the ES right here. If you don't catch these expansions outside of the range, you're just gonna have to call it because it's gonna range like this. So this is how the ES usually trades, and this is why I don't understand why anybody ever wants to trade the ES. But good thing for me is that I mean, I guess I started when she started to move, so I guess we'll keep trading her till she stops moving. But like I said, I think the ES is more for size. I mean, if you have size 10 points with a 10 lot, that's 5K. That's good money. And you can comfortably sit with that because you know that once the low is made, she's not going to, excuse me, she's not going to come and try to swipe the low just for it to go back up. So, I mean, that is the benefit of the ES is that you'll get this. But,
Yo, check it. I went back to 2017, right? When the ES was in 2K, 2400. This, and I'm on the weekly chart. Weekly. 15 points in a week.
Dude, no way, dude. And you say you went back when? How far?
This is 2017. 36 points in a week.
Yo, like I said.
When you getting out on the daily now, and this is a weekly chart.
And you said 2017, huh? Yeah, dude. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know how anybody could trade that. Like on this for this week, 784, 784. So I mean, I guess that was yeah.
Yo, I'm looking at 2020, February 2020. February 24th, ES dropped 388 points. Monday, February 24th, 2020. 388 points starting up from Monday.
It wasn't that like the pandemic or something? That was like the pandemic, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Straight craziness though.
Huh.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, after that. But like I said, that 20, hold on. Where was that first run up? No, I guess,
Yeah,
well, I guess they're not showing the continuous contract.
Oh.
I hate that they got the days like this. You can't really see it. I guess they don't load the data. But we got our first run up in 2021, right? Yeah, I think this is it right here. Or 2022? Or was it 2021? I could have sworn it was like 2021 or 2020. That STEMI run up.
that domain expansion.
Domain expansion. Unlimited liquidity. Okay, yeah, it was 2020. Yeah, the Bears was eating too. They was like, yeah, baby. You couldn't tell the Bears nothing. You couldn't tell them nothing.
Oh.
It's like, we eat over here, baby. The Bears got to eat. Especially when that March and everything was just dropping. And even with the pandemic, isn't that interesting? This thing found support. From a breakout that happened in 2016. You can't tell, like, dude, if anybody tells you that technical analysis it does not work, obviously they don't know how to trade. Because we had a freaking pandemic event, and here it is finding support at a breakout that happened in 2016. Literally a breakout.
Yeah.
Don't ever let nobody steer you in the wrong direction and say technical analysis don't work, because it do. And wow, I'm not even surprised. Another breakout retest right here. And this breakout was 2017. And they came back and retested this level a year later. So that's not even a surprise to me. But yeah, the Bears were definitely hurt with this run up. A lot of Bears got hurt. A lot of Bears got hurt with this run up. Because this shit, once we broke this high right here, the market is literally doing the same thing it's doing now, just trading higher with no pullback. I mean, we do get this pullback right here, but I think this is when Biden became president. No, when was this? 2021. Wasn't this when Biden became president? 2021? 2020? Something like that? Anyway. So, because I know it happened in January or something. Yeah, it happened in January or something. Or no, that wasn't it. That wasn't it. We got that pullback, and that very low was, oh, what a surprise, a breakout. Oh, what a surprise. And then ever since we got that retest and we got a breakout from this level, the market has traded higher. So
dang, there's so much bullish stuff. Man, the Bears couldn't even. They just could not take it down.
okay, so he was inaugurated 2021. Okay, so I guess I was right. Okay. Thank you, Alfred. I appreciate that. Because I was like, hold on. Wasn't it 2021? I could have sworn it was, but okay. Yeah. Or no. That wasn't it. I wasn't right about that. Because it was. Hold on. No way. Where is it at? Because I know we got a big drop when Biden became president. Or was it 2020? Was it 2020? November 2020. And then January 2021. Anyway, I guess it's no, that doesn't make sense because we had like a super drop when Biden became president. Where the hell is that at? Anyway, that's when I became a bear. That's when my love for being a bear came in. That's why I remember it so vividly. Like, all shorts work. It don't matter where you got in at.
It all shorts work. Domain expansion.
So I do see that 21 EMA. So a good short a good short that I may be looking at for CL might be 75.25 if it gets there. If we can get a move up to 75.25, I'll probably take a short from there. And keep a tight stop, because honestly, if it runs that high at 75.25, I'll probably give it like 15 points, 15 cents. Because if it continues to go up, then I'm wrong. But I think that 75.25 level on CL would definitely be the a good short opportunity. And I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at. I don't know if I'm going to see it on the time chart, but maybe 75.25. So this is a daily chart. Let's look at an hourly chart. Yeah, 75.25. 75.25. Yeah, because I think the high of this candle was what, 33? Yeah. So 33 is the high of this candle. I'm thinking that they're going to want to protect that high at 33. So I'm going to try to go for, or maybe that might be too hot. Well, I mean, if price can get to this 33 level, then I guess I can also try for a short there. But with all this bearish momentum, well, actually, no. Actually, no. 76. I think this is where the market's trying to get to. At least, no. To retest the bottom of this range right here, probably 76. So the bulls actually might trade through all this, actually. You might actually get a trade through all this. Okay. Are you still in this long? Are you still targeting 70 or 160?
I am still in the long. I mean, it's not looking too good though. Just looking at the structure of everything, but I've seen some demand when the bears tried to drop it. They came back in. Bulls came back in and bought it up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they might. I do think they're trying to go for this liquidity down there though. On book map, I think it's at like 50. What is it? Like 55, I think. 1955. But I don't know if the Bulls give that up. Maybe they want to get to 150 first. They might want to get to 150 first. Actually, the highs got some. Looks like people are targeting around the highs as well. Profit. But looking at the structure on the 5-minute, looks pretty telling. Like we got this high pre-market drop. Tempted to get back up there. Got NY open, could not do it. Super drop. Bulls came back in, could not get to that previous high. A little mini drop. Time will tell.
Yeah.
This mini drop turns drop, or if they continue to take it higher from here.
I mean, prices, it's trading in this range, man. Actually, maybe I should just mark it up.
Looks to be consolidating right now.
Yeah. And I do agree with that, Alfred. I mean, the only thing for price to do at this point is to break out. So we may get it after lunch breakout because, like I said, we've already got a breakout lower. The bulls were able to trade it right back into this range. The bears tried to take it down. They failed. And so far, price is now looking to break out of this range, possibly to test this high or this high, but I doubt that it stops here. I mean, even if the price does get here, I can see people targeting these highs as targets, and we can get a pullback, and this will be a safe long right here for a move up higher like that if the bulls hold it. But if they don't hold this, we can definitely see this. Actually, it'll be more likely that we see at least a double bottom here, at least. If not a double
Yeah.
bottom, we're going to get a break of the structure going down lower.
Yeah, those are, yeah, I'd agree with that too. Two scenarios that could play out because there is liquidity down below.
As
And the
always.
bears are targeting, yeah, and then the bulls are targeting this upside liquidity. So the bears might get theirs first, maybe.
I just want the market to get back to regular price action. That's it. That's all I'm asking. I mean, we will adjust, we will adapt, but we can make more money when the market just acts rationally, where the bulls and the bears can make their money. And I don't have to second guess a pristine sell setup and say, damn, that looks like a great sell setup, but I think it's not going to work.
Yeah, that's what happened to me yesterday. I got caught. It was, like I said, that 22-point short.
Uh-huh.
And versus the whatever 200 points I could have caught. I mean, I did go swift long, but the bear in me wanted that quick, that quick short. And then I closed it super early because I didn't think it was gonna work, and then it worked. And I ended up chasing. Yeah, that's how that story went. It looks like it's gonna go lower, honestly.
Yeah. So so for Shiro.
Bulls look exhausted right now. Bears look eager. But nervous.
Yeah, dude, I would be nervous too, man. Especially people that's trading us with real money. Like, it's hard getting all your money taken away from you with no consent. You didn't pay for this.
No consent.
No consent. So you asked if no, it doesn't. It does not look like we will get a big drop right now. If you look at this chart, I mean, if you look at the hourly chart, you can see that obviously we're in bullish overall. The structure is bullish. We got about 8 green candles, and price is now ranging because nobody doesn't know what they want to do. Let's actually make this full screen so we can look at this a little bit better. So right now, this is what the market is doing. You can see that the market is trading. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Hold on. No way, dude. All right. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, bastards. Anyway, hold on. Does all of these move? I could have sworn these. Yeah, I was like, don't they lock? All right. Okay. Anyway, so you can see that the market is trading in this big range right here. After we got a bullish move up into a range. Usually what happens here is either we get an expansion higher or we get an expansion down lower. I mean, obviously, there's only 2 directions the market can move in. With tomorrow's data, we can get both. I would think that probably towards the end of the day, we start grinding down, or prices trades into this consolidation area. But if I'm thinking like an institutional trader, obviously there's still business right here. There's still money right here that I can take before the news if the plan is to take the market higher. But if the plan is to take the market lower, then keeping the market right here would be ideal. Get people on both sides of the market. Get people that's going to try to short this, get people that's going to try to long this, and fuck both of them at the same time. So
That was I'm sorry. That's so diabolical. Yeah. But that is what happens. F your calls, F your puts.
the house always wins, baby. The house always wins. So if you got people on both sides of the market and we keep price here all day and overnight, we know what's going to happen. We know what's going to happen. We're going to get a swipe up. We're going to get a swipe down, another swipe up for good measure. And depending on what the data says, we either going down or we going up. So, I mean, this plays out so often. I'm surprised people get surprised by this. It happens so often. It's the same shit every day. But that long on CL. So let's see. Let's see, man. Let's see. Mm, hmm. But
Well, y'all know my bet on this is to the upside right now.
yeah.
Even though, I mean, yes, I don't know, 2K chart is looking, you can look at it two ways. You can look at all of this being, this could be a giant flag from, from the low down here that we made. And then now this is just a flag to go in continuation, go higher, or you can see that this is in a downtrend in 2K chart, especially if it doesn't break above 95 here on NQ. Then get a continuation down on this downtrend. But we'll see. My bet's to the upside though. My cards, money to the upside. Just because I think they want that. They want to take that up there.
Yeah.
I think 150. Now people are putting orders at 162. Yeah. But here she goes, right back down. Time is 10:15 or 10:18.
Yeah, keep the market trading in this tight range. So y'all had y'all fun yesterday.
But yeah, this is in a little mini downward trend. Which is crazy though. If I'm right, I'm near, you could say I'm near the bottom of this downward trend for it to go up. Then if I'm wrong, if it breaks this, continues down, it's probably going to take out that liquidity at 50, 55. Knowing the NQ could definitely push lower through that.
Mm-hmm.
Depends on how much the bulls want it. How much the bears want it. Who's going to bend over who?
Shit, that's a real question.
That's the question.
Yeah, Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start actually making plans for both the NQ and the ES. NQ and ES. Have them ready just in case one hits because I already know the ES is going to slow down eventually, so I need to get in front of it. And I'll still do the ES as well. It's just that I just know that if you want to get paid consistently every day, the ES it just ain't gonna do it every day. Oh, where the risk reward is in our favor. Cause shit, you got paid on it in the NQ. The NQ paid you. Actually, let me look at this real quick. Let me look at this. Go back to my baby. But this time, when I go back to her, this time, shit. Uh, the day goes by.
Hmm.
Yeah, they didn't let this thing completely rotate down. Um, hmm. So I did see something interesting on the NQ. I did see something interesting, and yeah, I saw something interesting.
What you see?
I think the market is trying to come back down to this 925, 920 level.
Hmm. Yeah.
I think it's trying to come back down, but I know.
Yeah. There's some demand down there.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's trying to come back down here. We got a low here at 19. I mean, we do got the 200
Taking
EMA at
stairs.
50. You said what?
5 minutes taking stairs down. But it don't. To me, it don't short here. I would want to short at a higher. Because if this thing flips and the bulls really come back with authority and you're short down here, you're getting clapped.
Mm-hmm.
Your stops. You in. But it does look like it's stair stepping down, trying to rotate down. We want the
Yeah.
elevator up.
Yeah. Yeah, this actually might be going down. Let's just actually draw this out. Like I said, just be mindful. Like I said, all day, this is bearish structure, but the bulls are winning right now. So just be mindful. We're making lower highs.
I was gonna say new high on CL.
New high on CL. Let's see.
75.
I'm actually looking at this
27.
right here. All right, so let's see. This would actually like the risk reward to this trade right here would actually be good. But literally we're at the bottom now. We are at the bottom of this move. Honestly, I don't know where the Bears. I mean, even if the Bears do short it here, where do they go from here? Because if you look at the overall picture with CL, oh crap. I guess I don't got that much data loaded up with CL. Let's see how much data I got on this one. 36 days, so let's do 90 days. This is a good risk reward trade, but the market may be trying to get back up to this range right here. I mean, we can trade gold too. I mean, we can trade anything in this room. We can start looking at gold and CL more often, but I mean those instruments don't really move. That's why I don't really pay that much attention to them. Let's see how it reacts. I mean, the Bears haven't knocked this down yet. They haven't knocked it down yet, so maybe they don't want to knock it down. Maybe they want to get to 33. Maybe they wanted to the at least the T. Maybe 36. Let's see what happens if price gets to 36. Because I mean, we got to break a structure. We got to break a structure here. They broke structure, and then they broke structure again here to the upside. So that tells me that the people that were short up here, their stops are getting ran. I mean, if the Bears do come in right here, I don't know where they would be going. I don't think we got any data at this low right here. I don't know. Yeah, this is going to be make or break. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we are getting close to that time. Actually, let me update this now because I meant to do it earlier today. I have to actually 45. All right, so 10:45, I gotta start going to my meeting because anyway.
Yeah, I'm about to get off here. I'm still in a position though, but this price action making me sleepy.
Sleepy price action.
Yeah, price action.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look for this software though. You know that software that locks you out? Like you can set a timer on it and it locks you out of keep you from going tilt.
I think that software is called Guardian Angel.
Guardian Angel.
Guardian Angel, but I think you gotta do a whole lot of you gotta download the software and do all kind of other stuff with it, kind of making it more complicated. Don't you got oh yeah, you can go back in Rhythmic and adjust again. Never mind. But I think it's Guardian Angel. Let's actually look at that. Let's see. Yeah, so I think this is the software right here where it locks you out of the Trader Guardian Angel software dashboard where it locks you out, kind of like what TopSupX is doing or has done. Yeah.
Oh, we got a drop. Huge drop on NQ.
Finally dropped.
Going for that liquidity.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
All right. So we are getting a drop right now, but like I said, I wouldn't really trust it, to be honest with you. I wouldn't marry a short because, yeah, like I said, everything is still in a downtrend, but the bulls are definitely regarded. So unfortunately for bears, you're just going to have to accept that this is a great opportunity to short the market. However, this is not a bull market, so it's not going to work. You have to cry a little bit harder. You have to cry a little bit harder because that's the only thing you can do in this situation. He says gold is still pumping. So if gold is pumping, that means the dollar is dropping. Yo, no, actually, this looks like a short. Yo, this looks like a short. I might take this. Yo. No, actually, I'll take it right here because this thing
Order
gonna
rejected.
it's not gonna move. Looks like a low risk short.
Order filled. He's back up right here. So let's see if we can get this fill up. So with a gold play hit, will gold hit? Tune in next week to see if Sherm is still in this trade.
Not next week.
This trade gonna take until next week, man. CLN and Q.
I'm about that out.
All right, man.
I'll update y'all in the Discord what how it all plays out.
All right.
All right, later, y'all.
All right. Let's see if that's gonna work. Honestly, this should work. Honestly, for the most part. All right. So. Yeah. I won't even be able to survive that. It's a 50K account. I would not be able to survive that. Man. Uh, mm, you said you're welcome. Yeah, Alfred, this was such a well, this was a bad entry, but I'm gonna keep it though. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep it because at this point I'm in too deep. Yeah. Mm, I don't want to risk that much though. I don't want to risk that much, but hmm, hmm, huh, huh, hmm, hmm, hmm. You know what? CL's actually. I might take this too. I might take this. I might take this on CL. Now, this I do want to see what happens on this. I might take this short on CL. We just ran that high. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So it does look like we just price just broke below the range. The bulls do look like they're going to try to. Ah, damn. CL does. That is a good short on CL. Whatever, dude. I'm not taking it. So if we took this long this morning, so this was 361. Yeah, we didn't even get 10 points in this one. We didn't even get 10 points in this move. Damn it. Damn it. I should have just took that damn thing short like I saw it. But it might not work. I mean, the Bears are coming in at that level with CL, but man, I really don't want to deal with it. I just don't want to deal with it. I just don't want to deal with it. Just don't want to deal with it. Mm, do I do it? That's the question. Should I do it? I'm on a micro roll too. 296.2 and 2 3. Okay. 1 second. 245. Yeah, I could have sworn that. I could have sworn. All right, guys, I got to go to my meeting. But yeah, I'm probably gonna get stopped out of this trade. I'm gonna get stopped out of this trade. I'm gonna put it right here. Why not? We'll see. We'll see. But all right, guys, that's all I have for today. Unfortunately, we didn't get any really good price action on the ES. We didn't get any good price action. I think what we'll get is probably something towards the end of the day like we've been getting. We may get a breakout lower. We may even get a double bottom here. We may get a double bottom here at 58, but if it came earlier, I'm actually looking for a price to come back all the way down here to 45, but I doubt that we get anything like this today. I think the most we get is possibly the 200 EMA at 50, possibly. But like I said, I don't expect, yeah, possibly like 51. Yeah, I think if the market does trade down here to the 200 EMA, we may get a bounce. It just sucks that we're not getting any good price action here on the ES. So yeah, we're just gonna have to wait until tomorrow. Obviously, the NQ had better trade opportunities, and because of this is why I'm going to start actually trying to reverse engineer that tool. If we can make trading the NQ more easier, we'll definitely do that. We can definitely do that. But all right, guys, that's all I have. We'll do the NA meetings later on tonight. We're going to try our best to prepare for the non-farm payroll going into tomorrow. And that's all we got for right now. Peace. So that go, yeah, it was. Honestly, I just wanted to take a trade, honestly. I'm not gonna lie to you. And this is not an account this is a 50K account. This is a 50K account. So yeah, I took that trade because I wanted the short. I'm not gonna lie to you. But it is what it is. Honestly, I really don't think that this trade's above this high. Obviously, the better entry would have been closer to this high. I do think that this short will work out, but I don't think I got a good position. Obviously, I didn't get a good position in it. I thought that the Bears were going to at least follow through with it, but they didn't. So, but I think this short will work out. It's just that I have to put more risk into it because I have a bad entry. What I did notice though was that it barely moved up, and we was up I was down like $700, which has me thinking that maybe I should look more at gold now. I didn't know it was like that. That was barely a move, and these are micro contracts, and we was up $700. Or I was down $700. Shit, we're down $500, and it barely moved away from my entry. So I might actually look at this and see if we can actually get some gold trades. So this is something that I'm going to be putting in the arsenal, gold. But I mean, this move right here took all day though. This was yesterday at 9 o'clock. This was literally a 12-hour trade. God damn, that was 12 hours. But all right, guys, I'll see y'all guys tomorrow. I gotta get